Hi, welcome back to e-autosports.com. Today we're gonna check out some NRG seatbelt harness. This one is the SFI rated 6-point seatbelt. So let's open it up. By the way, this is one belt over here, so I've taken one out, and this is pretty sturdy, nice, and very thick padding. So I guess in the summer you will be very hot if you don't have AC on a race car. Oh yeah, I found it. Here's the SFI rating on the smaller belt. Okay, now let's check out the cam lock. So there's like three positions. There's like three positions here. This is 1, 2, 3, and if I remember correct, the middle position is where you can just push it in and then it will click. 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 And you can push it either way to disconnect all of them. See, now they all come out. Second. Now I'll go to that direction. Yeah, there we go. Pretty satisfying. Well guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you get a better understanding of this harness. This is available on our website, so be sure to check it out on our website at e-autosports.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.